Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your device supports passkeys and that Discord is updated. Open Discord and sign in once with your password so you can reach security settings. Once there, choose Add Passkey and pick your device authenticator, Face ID, Fingerprint, or Windows Hello. You do this because the passkey binds to the device's secure element, making future logins faster and phishing-resistant. Make sure your OS keychain or platform authenticator is unlocked before proceeding. Now follow Discord's registration prompts to create the passkey. When Discord requests authentication, complete the biometric scan or enter your local PIN. This proves you control the authenticator. Once done, Discord registers a public key tied to your account and stores a reference, your passkey. This is why you'll see a friendly name. Pick something memorable for future selection. After registration, test by signing out and choosing the passkey option at login to ensure the flow completed correct. To log in, select Continue with Passkey on Discord's sign-in screen and choose your registered authenticator. Then authenticate with biometrics or PIN. This completes an asymmetric challenge response, so Discord verifies you without a password. If the passkey doesn't appear, make sure your device is unlocked, the browser or app has permission for platform authenticators, and you're using the same account. If you replaced or lost the device, open Discord security settings from another signed-in device and remove or add passkeys to recover access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.